Coming down my head. Step in a shadows, boss hit raw. Like flash, streets alive, hear the law. Night upbeat drum, move feed draw. Chaos call, we mash no flaw. Flats loom high, concrete grind tight. Eyes low, heart strap, streets ignite. Dogs growl, corners dark, teeth bare. Smoke curl, coats thin, tense air. Sheep shoes crack, pavement split. Money gone, hope just a bit. Bed shops glow, neon bite. Friday night, streets alive. Kids skip school, learn some rock. Life moves fast, tick up the clock. Deep smoke curl, alleyway mist. Bus stop snug, night's first kiss. Jeans hang low, waistband show. Attitude sharp, nowhere to go. Hard graph, quick moves, run or give. Same streets, same rhythm we live.
Nothing changing, pressure rise. Nothing changing, city cries. Corners raise us, nights belong. Unity, neon flash, crowd strong.
Cars glide silent, underground lanes. Dreams packed tight, push through pains. Bikes cut fast, phones disappear. Trading small, bigger moves near. Flash gear, fake shine, borrow plans. Generation wide, survive these lands.